Om Swastiastu to the valued and beloved foreign tourists traveling to Bali. I, Wayan Koster, Governor of Bali, would like to express my highest gratitude and appreciation to all foreign tourists who have contributed by paying the foreign tourist levy, amounting to IDR 150,000, which has been implemented since February 2024. In 2025, the number of foreign tourists visiting Bali reached 7.0 million people, of which 2.4 million people, or approximately 34%, contribute by paying the foreign tourist levy, generating a total of IDR 369 billion. The funds obtained from the foreign tourist levy have been utilized transparently by the Bali provincial government for the protection of culture and the natural environment. Bali is the main tourist destination in Indonesia, with more than 45% of foreign tourists to Indonesia traveling to Bali. In 2026, Bali was once again named the world's best tourist destination and the best island in Asia Pacific. With this recognition, tourists serve as the backbone of Bali's economy, providing substantial benefits to the lives of the Balinese people, fostering prosperity and happiness in both the seen or sakala and unseen or niskala realms. Our God, Hyang Widi, has bestowed Bali with the finest blessings, granting it beautiful nature, a warm and welcoming society, and a rich, also unique culture, all unified into a harmonious spiritual way of life. The government, together with the people of Bali, is working diligently to address challenges related to culture, environment, infrastructure, and governance in order to realize a cultural-based, high-quality, dignified, and sustainable tourist system. In pursuit of these noble goals, I, Wayan Koster, Governor of Bali, representing the government and the people of Bali, respectfully encourage all foreign tourists who love Bali to take part in preserving Bali and enhancing the competitiveness of Bali's tourism through contribution to the foreign tourist levy. Payment of the foreign tourist levy is encouraged to be made prior to departure through the Love Bali system, available via secure and reliable web or mobile platform. Bali, the island of the gods, our home, belonging to all of us. Let us preserve it together. Om Santi, Santi, Santi Om.